Internet! Welcome back to the EcoTools channel. My name is Katy Bellotte, and the reason why I'm taking over the EcoTools channel today is to show you guys the October box, as well as also demonstrate my going out makeup today, which I'm obviously not wearing right now, but I will show you guys how I transform myself into going out Katy. Before I do that, I want to quickly talk about the October box, which I have in my lap. I keep looking down. I'm holding it in my lap. It's called the Get It Girl box. The boxes come out on the 1st of every single month. This box actually has me in it, which is really cool. That is me right there. The October box's theme, because they all have themes, all the boxes, is, celebrating the girl, championing the woman, the girl, being a female in society, especially at this time of, life. It's really important that we band together and really show each other that we have worth and that we, deserve to be confident every single day, that we are, making strides, doing things that are bettering ourselves, overall, staying fierce, because we are women, and that's what we should be doing, and we should be encouraging each other to do. So this box, the October box, really celebrates the woman. It quite literally says "Stay Fierce" on the inside of the box, which is really cool, and on the card it says "Get It Girl." And by getting this box, essentially you are donating $25 to the Girl Project, and the Girl Project essentially unlocks the potential for girls worldwide, everywhere. They have initiatives all over the place. That is very cool. It's the first thing that I saw when I opened the box that I was very excited about. And also it comes with a bunch of, obviously, EcoTools brushes, which I'm going to use in today's tutorial. It comes with some foundation brushes I'm really excited about. These two here. This domed kind of powder / blush brush. It's a little palette where you can mix moisturizer and foundation, which is really cool. I've actually never owned one of these, and I'm very excited about it. And also it comes with some pencils, some little pins that you could put on a jacket or your backpack, and then a hairbrush. The EcoTools hairbrushes are some of my favorite hairbrushes, so this is very exciting, as well as a facial sponge, some blotting papers. Yeah, so that's what comes in the October box. As I mentioned, it's all things that can help you as a woman feel very empowered, very fierce, so that is awesome. So that, my friends, is the October box. I hope you guys, if you are receiving this box this month, are excited about this box, as excited as I am, and thank you to EcoTools for allowing me to participate in this whole ambassador program. It's very, very cool. I'm extremely excited. Without further ado, I guess we should get into the tutorial, and I will show you guys how I transform my face for a night out on the town. So I'm going to put on some moisturizer. You can apply a primer if you'd like. I'm going to apply a moisturizer just because I'm actually not going out tonight. I'm going to bed after this, but if you want your makeup to last longer, you can apply a primer. So after I applied my moisturizer, I'm going to apply some foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I don't believe in rules in makeup, so I'm going to apply my foundation first and then my concealer. I need some music. Alexa, play Beyonce.
Shuffling songs by Beyonce.
Oh gosh, I actually didn't mean that. Alexa, turn off. I know my foundation looks a little yellowy right now, but I promise once I bronze up and put powder, it'll look a lot better. Next up, I'm going to apply concealer to my eye bags. First, I use a brush, and then I go in with my ring finger. I'm going to go ahead and apply some translucent powder just to the areas that are looking kind of greasy. So next up, I'm going to move on to applying some bronzer. I typically go bronzer, then blush, and then highlight. I use this bronzer so much this summer, and I'm kind of in denial that it's fall. This fair-skinned chick needs some bronzing love, so now that we have bronzed up my face, we're going to move on to blush. Just applying some blush to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to pop on a little bit of highlighter as well. Right there. Woo! Right on the tip of my nose. Amazing! Okay, so now that we have tackled my face and I did my whole face routine, I'm going to move on to my going out eye makeup. So I'm going to do a little smoky number tonight with a couple of shadows. I'm going to first apply this shadow here, kind of like a light brownish purple gray color. It's kind of the best way I could describe it. Very, very nice. Okay, so I applied that shadow. It's kind of like a taupe color now that I look at it. Next, I'm going to take this darker chocolatey brown color and kind of smudge it in the outer third and along my lash line a little bit, just kind of to create a smoky type look, not extremely aggressive smoky, I know this is a darker shadow, but I like experimenting with darker shadows. I'm gonna smudge it underneath my eye as well. I've been really into the smudgy eyeliner trend recently. I haven't really used liquid liner as frequently as I used to. I definitely used to wear it like all the time and beat it to death, and now I'm kind of into the smoky look. So I'm gonna line my waterline and my tight line, and then also just smudge it around my eyes. Tastefully, of course. Tastefully. Curl the lashes, and then mascara. Applying my Carbon Black mascara from L'Oreal. So now we are done with my eye makeup. I'm going to move on to defining my brows, and when I define my brows, I'm pretty natural about it. Like, I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to go in with my brow definer and just fill in some of the sparse patches. I'm going to brush them up in the front for some good measure. So now we are done with the eye makeup. For this look, I'm going to move on to applying some lipstick. For this look, I'm going to apply a raisin colored lipstick. This is from L'Oreal, and it is in fact in 892 Raisin. This one's playing some music outside. I'm gonna use a little lip brush that came in the October box just to make sure it's perfect. I'm going to utilize that hairbrush that comes in the box. Brush out my mane. Alright guys, so this is the final look that we came up with for my going out makeup in New York City, hitting the town look. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial. I created this look using a lot of the products that came in the EcoTools October box. I'm really happy that I was able to show you guys the October box today and create a look for you all. Check out the link down below to my daytime makeup tutorial, or it's like my everyday work tutorial, and the link will be below so you guys can check that out if you guys want to watch another makeup tutorial. Let us know what you guys thought of this video down below, and that's it. Bye!